What's going on, guys? Wario here, back again. And wait, Jake isn't here. What's going on? Why am I in murder mystery 2? I'm not supposed to be here. Oh my god, it's a Wario fan. Whoa! Ah, what's going on? Where am I? Whoa, is that a pool and a water slide? Oh my god. Wario go for a swim. Ah ha ha ha. Wario's a lifeguard now. Ah ha ha ha. It looks like they're dying, but I don't fucking care. Ah ha ha ha. Alrighty, let's go. Oh no, I'm not doing that.
Actually, I'm gonna do that, yeah. Wario swimming.
Whoa, I'm gonna go in the biggest water slide. Ah.
Whoa! Oh my god, this is so fucking good. Oh my god, this is totally radical. Whoa! Why would Jake ever invite me to this place? This is awesome and radical.
Holy shit, fuck. Oh my god. Whoa, where am I now? Let me go into the vibe club. Ah ha ha ha. I'll have one shot of vodka. Where the fuck? Let me go to room number 1. No one's here to play Connect 4. This is so shit. I'm gonna
Fucking kill myself.
Whoa, I'm at the hospital. Whoa, let's get the wheelchair, guys. Let's go to room 207. No one's here. Am I alone? Now I'm here. I don't think I can fix this curse. Jake is gone forever. I failed. I failed. I failed. I failed. I failed. Hold on a second. If Jake and Uncle could rob the bank, then maybe I can as well. I'm doing this for you, Jake. Smell these people's feet. Now guys, you'll find Mario Luigi here. Oh my god. Whoa, soccer. If this person isn't gonna let me in, I'm gonna go there myself. Wario's never done this much exercise before. I have one goal. Jake always used to say, make sure you're from America. And I believe in him. I believe that I am from America. What if I just never get the money and fail? I think it's time to do it. I really don't want to do this, but if I keep failing and Jake isn't around, then what do I got to lose? Donuts are nice! Give me all the fucking money! Thank you for your money, sir!
No problem.
Yeah, shut the fuck up!
What's going on, guys? Jake here, back again. And guys, thank you so much for supporting the last video. But guys, I have a very special guest, guys, and it is Wario